Looking back at my life today, I can only see your grace. When I didn't know the way, you still made a path for me. Every morning your mercy flows. You are the one who never lets go. What I am, I owe to you. Everything you brought me through. So I lift my hands and say, it wasn't me, it was your grace. All I have, all I am is because of your mighty hand. I walked through darkest night, you became my shining light. Every battle I have faced, you turned it all into praise. Now my life is a testimony of your goodness and your glory. No one else could take your place. I'm living only by your grace. Hey! So I lift my hands and say, it wasn't me, it was your grace. All I have, all I am is because of your mighty hand. I'm grateful, Lord. You've been so good to me, Jehovah. I'm grateful for everything you've done. My heart gives you praise. them for me. You opened them one by one so easily. I was down, but you lifted my head, turned my sorrow into joy instead. Every step you never let me fall. You were there, you answered my call, oh. So I lift my voice today with everything I've got to say. No be man, no be luck, no be chance. Now your hand, now your grace, now your plans, hey. You've done me well. I've got a story to tell. From glory to glory, you carry me go. I thank you so, Jehovah. say, hey!
Who is like unto you?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
None can compare to you.
Yeah, Jesus Igwe, the lion who protects his own. Hey!
Jesus Igwe,
Hey! The mighty God upon the throne. Eze, Eze, Lord above all. All creation bows to you. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey! Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. When you speak, the darkness scatters.